Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn an old sheet into a dress with pockets. That's today on Refashioning with Rachel. First, fold your sheet in half hamburger style twice with right sides together and lay it down on a big flat surface. Grab a shirt that fits you well to use as a pattern and fold it in half, carefully lining up the shoulder seams and the side seams. And then position your shirt so that the back fold lines up with the side of the sheet that has the big single fold, and so that the shoulders are facing the side of the sheet with two folds. And trace around your shirt, adding 1/2 inch for seam allowance at the shoulder seams and at the side seams. But do not add seam allowance at the neck hole or the armhole. Draw a straight line from around where the bust is to the bottom of the sheet. And since we will need some 1.5 inch bias strips, I'm also drawing a line on the other side of the ruler. To make a nice A-line hem, find the center of the flare of the skirt and then draw a line to that point that is perpendicular to the center of the skirt and to the sides of the skirt. And then round out that curve. Make a mark about 11 inches down from the armhole on the side of the dress, and another mark 6 inches below that. And then sketch in a blob that is at least 1 inch bigger than your hand. And cut. So of course, you could just use fabric for this project, but since I'm a refashioner, I like to use thrifted sheets whenever possible. Set aside the bias strips for now. And open up your dress. Cut in a deeper neck hole through one layer of fabric. This will be the front of the dress. Now pin all along the shoulder seams and the side seams. And sew. Simply sew along the side seams, and when you get to the pockets, pivot and go around the pocket, and then pivot again, and sew down the rest of the side seam. You can finish the raw edges either with a serger, but since there were some funny corners to navigate around with the pockets, I decided to use a zigzag stitch instead. Just set your machine to the widest stitch possible, and sew, making 1 stitch go on the fabric and 1 stitch go off the fabric. And then trim off any scraggly bits. And then you have a finished edge that is almost as nice as using a serger. Iron the seams so they lie flat, and iron the pocket toward the front. And then turn the dress right side out, but don't turn out the pockets. To finish the armholes and the neck holes, place the right side of a bias strip to the wrong side of the armhole, folding back 1/2 inch from one end, and lining up that fold with the side seam of the dress. Now sew the strip to the armhole, lining up the raw edges, and using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. If your armhole is a little bit small, like mine is, you might find it tricky to go around the hole. So just work slowly and patiently, and be careful not to stretch the armhole as you sew. When you get back to where you began, overlap the fold by 1/2 inch. Trim off the excess fabric and sew the strip closed, making a stitch very close to the folded edge. Now working on the right side of the dress, fold out the bias strip and fold in the raw edge and fold it over again so that the fold just passes the previous line of stitching, and then sew it down, making the stitch close to the fold. Again, this part might be tricky to sew, so just work slowly and patiently. And repeat these steps on the other armhole and on the neck hole. Iron down these finishes so that everything looks a little nicer. Hem the bottom of the dress simply by folding over the raw edge twice and securing with a stitch. And then iron the hem. If you want to make a tie for your waist, cut out a 1.5 inch wide strip of fabric that is as long as you want the waist tie to be, and fold it in half with right sides together, and make a stitch 1/2 inch away from the fold. Turn it right side out using an embroidery needle and some strong thread. And hit this with an iron. And finish off the ends by tying them in knots and trimming off the excess. And then this project is finished. So here's a reminder of how it looked before. And here's how it looks now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment if you did. And have a beautiful day.